Hi, I'm Adaline from Bonney Lake, Ben Franklin. I'm going to be demonstrating how to make the companion to our October Gnome of the Month. First, we're going to start by gluing our orange fur to our styrofoam ball. So, place the ball in the center of the fur facing away. Then, put glue at each of the edges and tuck them into the center. Then you have a little orange ball. Next, find the front of your little spider and glue on your googly eyes. Next, take your 4 chenille stems or pipe cleaners. At the halfway point, twist all 4 of them together and glue at this point to the base of the spider. You want to make sure that the legs are facing opposite the way that the eyes are facing. Then you can spread them out and bend each of them so that they have a knee joint and a foot joint. Now we have our finished companion for our October Gnome of the Month. Happy Halloween and happy crafting!